Ah, the weekend. The perfect opportunity to mow the lawn.
Alexa, have YUKA mow and sweep the front yard.
Start working.
Meet YUKA, the 3D vision robot lawn sweeping mower. You may be wondering,
how does YUKA mow the lawn?
YUKA can cut grass faster with dual cutting discs. Forget about sweeping. YUKA sweeps leaves and debris as it mows. And when all filled up, it automatically empties itself.
Is YUKA easy to set up?
Just walk with YUKA around your yard. Using 3D vision mapping and enhanced RTK, YUKA can create wire-free virtual boundaries.
Is YUKA smart?
Using an advanced stereo vision system and a rear-view camera, YUKA can see its surroundings. AI deep learning allows it to identify just about anything and avoid obstacles in its way. It can even mow in GPS blind spots.
Can YUKA be customized?
Control YUKA from anywhere, exactly the way you want. Set where and when you want to mow, and no-go zones. Then let YUKA handle the rest. For those special occasions, express yourself through creative lawn printing.
How does YUKA mow the perfect lawn?
YUKA automatically adjusts cutting height for a carpet-like lawn, and it can even climb hard-to-reach places.
What else can YUKA do?
A lot more. Rest easy when you're away. YUKA keeps a watchful eye on your property. Effortlessly track its location with anti-theft protection. YUKA is waterproof and can detect rain. When it's out of power, it automatically returns home to charge. RTK is even easier to install. So, do you want to spend your weekend doing this? Or enjoy doing the things you love most?